Hey guys, Lenny Buns here from One Tech Stop, and today I received a gift from Google. Being part of Team Pixel, we usually get devices a little earlier than the retail stores, and we received this today, the Pixel 5a 5G. So let's just open this up and see what it looks like. I'm sure everyone's pretty familiar. It has the same design as the 4a 5G, and the 5. So let's get this out. Okay. So this is it right here. And this has a metal unibody design as opposed to the polycarbonate on the 4a 5G. It has no wireless charging, has the same camera setup. It has a nice little ridged power button with a grayish color. The volume rocker is right on the side. 3.5 millimeter jack. It has stereo speakers on the front. You can see them over here, as well as the USB-C port. Right here is the SIM, where you place your SIM card and you eject it, is right there. What else is there to say about it? What is the actual difference between this device and the Pixel 4a 5G or the Pixel 5? And we'll get into that in a second. Let's just continue the unboxing. We have a SIM injector tool. We have the pamphlet with the instructions. And guess what we have here? This is an 18-watt wireless charger with a USB adapter for those that might not have USB-C to USB-C, as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable. And this we use for transferring other devices, whether it's an iPhone, Samsung, or any other device that's out there. But it's nice to see that they gave us a brick charger inside the packaging, because usually that don't happen that much. So how about I power this on? I'll peel this off. It's always a nice feeling. It's a nice looking device. It's a bigger screen than the other two devices. And we will power this on and get it set up. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back from setting it up. So basically, it's pretty much the same profile as the Pixel 4a 5G, as you can see here. Bring it up. One thing I noticed, if you could see up in the left-hand corner, the camera cutout is a little smaller on the Pixel 5a 5G, whereas you could tell that the hole is larger here. The screen is actually larger on the Pixel 4a 5G. It's a 6.34 inch display. It's the same PPI 413 each. The aspect ratio is slightly different. This is 20.9. This is 19.59. Same 24-bit, 16 million colors. This is actually a 6.2 inch display. They both have HDR support. They're both made of Gorilla Glass 3. There was rumors to say that this had 90 hertz, but it don't. It only has 60. Same as this. This is loading up. I haven't finished updating everything, so all my applications are being loaded on it. What else is the difference? Major difference right here is this is $449. This retails for $499. We also have an IP rating now on the Pixel 5. It's IP67. This don't have an IP rating. Both have the fingerprint in the back. I have a skin on this so you won't see the Google logo. This is polycarbonate. Like I said, this is a unibody metal frame. Both have the same camera lens setup in the back, the wide angle and the normal with the flash. And that's pretty much the comparison. Overall, the battery life is a big difference also. I forgot to mention that, and that's a huge point I forgot to mention. The battery size is completely different between the two. I mean, the Pixel 4a 5G lasts me all day pretty much, and that's a 3,885 mAh versus the Pixel 5a 5G now, which is 4,680 miles. So I don't think you're going to have any issues taking pictures, listening to music, and doing what you have to do throughout the course of the day. Why this device when the Pixel 6 is coming up so quickly? Well, let's look at it. The Pixel A series is the affordable series, and you're getting this for $449 now versus $499. I really think, it's a great deal. You're getting a better battery life, you're getting an IP rating, and you're spending $50 less. And you actually spend $250 less than the Pixel 5. So if you wanted to try a Pixel device before going forward with the Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, you have this option. I think it's an excellent value for $449. It's going to be available on August 27th at the Google Store and online. I really don't have anything more to say. If you guys want me to check out something or ask me any questions, drop a comment below, hit the like button, and let me know what you guys want to know about the Pixel 5a 5G. Like I said, I received this as a gift from Google. They did not tell me what to say, how to say, give it positive or negative reviews. This is just my thought process. I only received it about an hour ago. This is Lenny Bond signing off from One Tech Stop. Thank you.